Hey y'all, so I didn't get to give you a proper intro for this video, and I'm about to let you know why in a second. But hey y'all, it's Laila K. Welcome back to my channel. So I did a little something, y'all. I recorded majority of the clips in this video, okay, in slow motion. Give me a round of applause. I'll wait. Yeah, me neither, because I'm so mad about that. But you know what? I still gotta get this content out for y'all. So here's a quick little edited up video with some tiny voiceovers, but more so a visual. So you could really call this a visual diary. But yes, y'all, come along with me while I pack and travel to Miami, and make sure to stay tuned in, subscribe, like, and comment so y'all can get the notification for my next video, which is going to be the actual travel vlog of Miami, taking y'all along with me, seeing what I do, where I go, and all that good stuff. I love y'all. Tune in. If y'all know how to put stuff in slow motion on the Sony ZV-F1 or 1F, whatever it's called, please let me know so I don't do that again. Alright, now tune in.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding.
Packing had started stressing me out, so I went ahead and was like, okay, let me just take a step back, take a breath, and I'm gonna do a face mask because I gotta get this skin right for this trip. Y'all, I wanted to bring my Polaroid with me so bad on this trip, but unfortunately couldn't fit. I was on the phone with Stink stressing, then my mom decided to come in and help me, thank the Lord. So then I went ahead and decided to take my face mask off.
grind, so I gotta take a hit now. I hate your hood like where you wanna hang right now. On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know what time it is right now? It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me first. Come and see me first.
To start the flow of you must mask over the elastic point on our landing. A life vest is located. Then, tear.
Schedule to wait.